So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Billetworkz weighted shift knob. Not too much of an unboxing because my wife had opened the box before I even saw it. She was pretty excited to see the shift knob. So again, this is the Billetworkz. They gave us a little bit of this decal, a little freebie. This is their business card. And this is the inside of the packaging. Pretty nice. So this is for our 2023 Ford Mustang GT. This is a weighted shift knob. We got the Coyote engraving on the side, so on both sides they do the engraving. That's the top of the shift knob. It is pretty heavy. And this one we got in candy blue. They offer it in a lot of different colors. I think it comes in red, black, orange. They do gloss and candy colors. So the candy has a little bit of these sparkles on it. Really nice. And they have a lot of different shapes. So the one that we went with is with the sphere. This is the sphere shape. They offer it in the standard short teardrop. So the short teardrop, that one's actually a standard, so it works right when you install it in the car. You don't have to order the reverse adapter or the reverse adapter lockout. So when you pull up on the reverse, it'll fit with the short teardrop. But if you order any other shape like the sphere, or if you order the light bulb, the sledge, tall teardrop, whatever other shape, you're gonna have to get the adapter. So you can either get the lockout or you can get the lockout adapter, which is the one that we opted for. So this one comes in a few different colors, and the one that we got was black. So I'm assuming when we put it on, this is gonna act as a kind of like a reverse lockout, so I can line up the gears right, and then underneath there's this slot right here, and this is going to allow you to pull up that reverse mechanism to engage that reverse gear. So pretty nice. So it comes with this bolt, and then I'm assuming this one is you're going to put first when we do the install. This one's gonna go onto the shifter, and then this followed by this. But I think with this reverse adapter, I think we'll just use this and the sphere. I'm not too sure. We're gonna have to find out when we do the install. But it should be very straightforward. Now this one on the website, it says it's 450 grams. It is pretty heavy. They offer it in a lot of different weight sizes. I think there's 450, 600 something. There's even one that's 1,000 grams, 1 kilogram, which is pretty overkill. And I have my little kitchen food scale. We're gonna weigh it out and then see how close it is to 450 grams. Not sure actually even if my food scale is calibrated or even accurate, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out. So my food scale right now, if you guys can see it, it's rated at about 404 grams. So it's actually almost 50 grams short on whatever the website had advertised 450 grams for the sphere. Will that make a difference? Probably not. It's still pretty heavy, and I think it's just gonna do the job just right. Just help with the feel. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that install, and hopefully that goes well. Okay, so we're inside the Mustang. We're gonna put it in neutral. Make sure you got your handbrake on, of course. Never done this before, but I'm assuming you're gonna twist this off. It's pretty tight. Oh my god. Man, that thing is on there tight, so I had to grab this towel, and then hopefully this will work. Oh my god. Okay, that is on there tight. So we're just gonna twist this off, get this shift knob off. Goodbye to that one, and then this one right here, we're gonna try this out. So this one is the reverse lockout adapter. I'm just gonna put it all the way down and see. So you want to make sure you're still able to pull this one up. So as you can tell, I cannot engage that reverse at that height, so this is as high as it goes. So I'm gonna put this one about right here, and then we're gonna put this shift knob right here and see what happens. So this piece I said earlier maybe we're not gonna use, but I think I do have to use it. So this one is gonna go on top like that, and then make sure you lock it up with that reverse adapter. So again, just make sure you can pull that up. Pulls up just fine. And then this one, we're gonna twist that one on. So I'm gonna twist that. So make sure you line up the gears correctly. So that one, so I can still reverse lock out. So just try it, move it around the gears, and it does feel a lot nicer. It's very heavy, and then I can still put it into reverse. So I felt that, and it's still working just fine. So there you go. Billetworkz shift knob, weighted shift knob. This one's installed, ready to go. I mean, the car's not on, but with this MT82 transmission right now, it feels pretty nice. A little bit of weight helps it move through the gears, so I like it. Thanks for watching.